guys, so today we are starting our reviews of different splash pads in Tucson, but first please stick to the end because we have an iPad giveaway. Stay till the end for more details. Anyway, so this is day number 1, Brandi Fenton's Memorial Park. We're gonna go to their splash pad, kind of review it, see what's great about this one. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys watch the end, stick around, and let's see what we got. For this, Ari, this side. Ariel, this side.
You're not? I dare you to. If you do it, I'll do it. Come on, baby. All right. Run, run, run! Run through it!
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, let me see. Yeah. You going in there? Go in there, babe.
Can you see
Is
it?
it wet, babe?
It's cold.
Is it?
Raya, did you like it?
Did you like it, buddy? Isn't it so crazy? Yeah?
Babe, we were all playing with this thing and it like went away and then the bucket just poured and I thought we were covered the awning.
Yeah.
We got wet.
Are you having so much fun? Go, go. Ariel, let me see you. Yeah. Yeah.
Savages.
babe? What? You scared?
Checking kids.
Oh yeah. It's hard to keep. It's hard to keep visuals on your kids here, huh? What? Raya, what are you doing, bud? You alright, babe? All that chlorine though, huh?
Oh yeah, nothing like it.
Yeah, right. Take you back to the creek days.
Oh no, nothing like that fresh water.
Yeah, right.
I'm kidding. So it's nice. I mean, it's got some little buckets and little things, and I want to check out like different splash pads, but this one's actually pretty nice for being really close to the house. So I give this one about 7 out of 10 stars. What do you think? If you could rate it 10 stars, how many would you give it?
Give it a fucking 1 star. There's no swimming pool.
He don't even swim in the pool. Like, he's mad because he ain't got no pool, but he don't swim in the pool.
Exactly. Well, the kids are getting super bored, so they want to go to the park, and I frankly am tired of watching them. So we sent Ruby out there. What's up, buddy? You having fun? Oh my goodness, we gotta sit down. Oh. Having fun, Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah? You having fun, Ariel?
Just really good idea
Yeah?
with our latest giveaway.
Yeah? Want to talk about it?
We're giving away an iPad Pro 12.9 inch. All you gotta do is subscribe, like, and comment to be entered. We are not doing one comment. Like, you can do as many comments as you need to. Go ahead, explode our page. Every comment is a new entry to win.
Yeah. And I'm officially making it my business to love every single comment, even the haters.
Yeah. If you comment, you're gonna get a heart reaction.
Well, some of the haters.
And hey, if you guys have any ideas for our YouTube channel, for another video you want, even if it's crazy dumb challenges, comment, leave it, comment, subscribe. Let's see what this channel can become, guys. Thank you guys for all you guys who have subscribed. Thank you for the support. If you're new, please like and subscribe our channel. Get entered into the giveaway. And just enjoy watching us do our thing.
Are you happy, Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You guys gonna go play? Go stand in the shade so you guys can warm up, okay? I mean, go stand in the sun, alright, Mama?
Thank you.
See how happy I am? Is that, or the splash pad is that it has a part, so as soon as you're done dropping your heathens over here at the splash pad, you can just take them over here and let them deal with the other heathens over there. And did I mention this place is free? Look at that. Headboard. We got some Nina. We got some Nina playing. James loves his Nina. Alright, that was getting a little bit boring, so I guess I'm gonna... Hey, look at a playground. Ah! I miss you! Ariel! Ariel! What are you doing over there?
She's in charge of the map.
You're tying the map?
If you want to, you have to have a black shirt and with something that's green on your sword.
Okay.
And with sunlight.
That's everything that I'm wearing. Pretty nice there. Alright, I guess I'm just going to end the video right here. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. If not, you know what to do. Alright guys, well, we'll just leave it on that note. Get your iPad, man. Get your game on. If you're under the age of 18, you better make sure you ask your mom for the iPad. And so basically for the giveaway, we're gonna pick out a winner. We're gonna pick out a winner on our giveaway, and then we're gonna go from there, international or not international. Basically what I'm saying is, just because you live out of the United States doesn't mean you're not gonna get an iPad, because we're gonna try our best, work together so we can get this iPad sent out. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Please subscribe.